Trelli? What are you doing here?
With your father's death, the chain of command falls to me.
My father's body isn't even cold yet.
This is something swirling around Terra. You should know that. I'm in charge now, and I'm starting by making a few changes.
We caught Siler.
Good for you. Your electrical outburst also shut down the grid, letting out a dozen inmates for just as matter worse. And Noah Bennett is gone too.
I know. I'm gonna get right on that.